Imagine you're lost in the wilderness or faced with an unexpected emergency. Would you know what to do? In this video, we're breaking down essential survival skills that can make a critical difference. From creating a quick shelter to finding water and building a fire, I'll guide you through simple, effective strategies to help you stay safe and maximize your chances of survival when it really counts. Let's dive in. Shelter is your first priority. Exposure to extreme temperatures can be life-threatening within hours, so you'll need to find or create cover quickly. Look for natural shelters like caves, overhangs, or thick foliage if you're outdoors. If those aren't available, create a makeshift shelter using branches, leaves, and other natural materials. Make sure it's wind-resistant, and if possible, raise the floor with leaves or pine needles to stay warm and dry. Without water, survival becomes incredibly difficult after just a few days. Finding water should be high on your list. Look for natural sources like streams, rivers, or even rainwater. Once you find it, purify it to avoid dangerous pathogens. You can boil water if you have the means, or use a portable water filter if you're prepared. In a pinch, a simple method like water purification tablets or even filtering through cloth can help reduce contamination. Fire provides warmth, a way to cook food, and even a signal for rescuers. If you have a lighter or matches, that's ideal, but if you're without, try using a fire starter kit, or create a fire using friction-based methods like the bow drill technique. Start with dry kindling like small twigs or dried leaves. Once you have a fire going, it can provide a sense of comfort, keep animals at bay, and serve as a visible signal to rescuers. If you're in a situation where rescue is possible, signaling should be a priority. Use a brightly colored object, mirror, or anything reflective to catch attention. A signal fire, especially one that produces smoke, is another effective tool. Remember the rule of threes: 3 fires, 3 whistle blasts, or 3 flashes of light are universally recognized as a distress signal. Make sure your signals are visible from above if possible. The last and perhaps most vital skill is staying calm. Panic can lead to poor decisions and wasted energy. Take a moment to assess your surroundings and prioritize your needs. Knowing what steps to take and in what order is half the battle in survival. When you keep a clear mind, you increase your chances of making smart decisions that help you stay alive. To quickly recap, prioritize building a shelter to protect against the elements, find and purify water to stay hydrated, use fire to stay warm and signal for help, and keep a visible signal for rescuers. Finally, remember to stay calm and think through each step carefully. These simple strategies can dramatically increase your chances of survival. Preparedness is key in survival situations. Start by practicing these skills before you need them, whether it's building a small fire or setting up a basic shelter in your backyard. The more you practice, the better prepared you'll be if an emergency ever happens. Make sure to subscribe for more practical survival tips and skills to stay ready for anything.